I'm Richard Weber with Hollister Realty, and I want to share something important about the true cost of home ownership because understanding the full picture helps you make the best decision. Most buyers focus on the mortgage payment, but successful home ownership means planning for the complete picture: insurance, taxes, maintenance, utilities, and those inevitable repairs. Here's the good news. Home ownership is still one of the most powerful wealth building tools available when you plan correctly. The key? Budget for more than just your mortgage. Insurance and taxes rise over time. Major systems, roofs, HVAC, water heaters will eventually need replacement. So here's what the smartest buyers do. They create a dedicated repair fund with automatic monthly transfers. They keep cash reserves after closing, and they buy with margin built into their budget. That margin is what separates homeowners who build wealth from those who feel financially stressed. True affordability isn't what a lender approves. It's what lets you sleep well at night, knowing you're prepared. When you budget realistically from the start, home ownership becomes exactly what it should be: a wealth building asset and a lifestyle that you love. Ready to understand your home ownership budget? Let's create a plan that sets you up for long-term success.